Heather Dennis, and this is day 5 of the shoulder challenge. I want to explore a movement of the collarbone that is essential for good shoulder movement. It's a movement that we often lose because of our posture and the things we do. Plus, we're never really taught how to move through our collarbone or what it does. But it's a big game changer of being able to get your arm up over your head, which I want to be able to continue doing for the rest of my life. Thank you very much. So I'm going to lie on the floor. I like to place something behind the back of my head. I'm going to lengthen my spine on the floor. My knees are going to be bent. My feet are going to be standing. And I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to find my collarbone. I'm going to just massage along the top of the collarbone, massage along the bottom of the collarbone. Just start to notice, there might be some tender spots there. There often are. There's a lot of muscles that are attached to it. And then I'm going to just place my hand on my collarbone. My right hand is on my left collarbone. And then I'm going to take my arm and lift it up off the floor and slowly take it overhead. And I'm going to notice what the movement of the collarbone is. Just let my right hand be there, sensing as the arm comes up and goes down. And the slower you can do this, the more you'll notice the movement of the collarbone. Noticing that it rolls up as my arm goes overhead. It lifts up. And then it comes back. So after doing that exploration, just lengthen your legs out. And notice your left side, your left shoulder, compared to your right. Feel free to repeat this on the other side and see how your shoulders feel as a result of doing this exercise. Thank you for joining me for this 5-day shoulder challenge. If you've really enjoyed these videos, if they've helped you, or maybe you've sparked your curiosity of how you could live in your body in a different way, I'd love you to join me for a month-long shoulder workshop that will be a one live class per week on my online platform on NamaStream. And then you'll get 3 videos per week, shorter videos which are skills like the ones we've covered in this challenge that you'll have access to practice on your own. This program will help to consistently support you in changing the tensional habits around your shoulders, your breath, and your neck. So if you have any interest in joining me, please go to my website, heatherdennis.com, and click the button that will help you register for this wonderful workshop that we'll be holding soon. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Ciao.